Well, fancy meeting you here. I've always wanted to get into metal detecting, and I've done about a year of research before I actually picked this particular one. So let's get into it.
Leave a wandering footprint as you go.
All right, we have the XTerra Elite by Minelab here in front of me. The box that barely fits in frame. There's a few reasons why I would choose the Elite over the Minelab's Vanquish or any of the other XTerra series. And the main reason is right here. The multi-IQ, multi-frequency detection stuffs. You'll notice that the rest of the XTerra series, like the XTerra Pro and below, all have single frequency. This is similar, if not equal to, the Equinox series, which is a big price tag step up because you have the multi-frequency sensing and some other fun things in here, but that was the main reason that it got me. I've been waiting a long time to get it, and I'm very happy I did. So let's just crack open the box. You'll see what you can get. There's a lot of other more professional, more wise people than me when it comes to metal detecting. I am just a beginner, so let's get to the unboxing. We have a sticky thing. Manuals. This is where the money's at. It's nice, it looks all sealed up. This is gonna be my main computer for all the cool Detectorist stuff that I will somehow learn how to do. And maybe you'll stick around and join me. Let's crack this bad boy open. Now I actually have a trip planned this weekend to try this all out. This little thingy I saw on the internet. I'm not sure what it's for yet. Look, another sticky thing. This looks like the main track down, pull down, you know what I mean. Look, the arm cuff. Looks like there's a tiny Allen wrench and a little screw. Excited to find out what those do. And cables. Come on, cables, get out of the box. Oh, the mighty coil. Everything does seem to be here, including this beautiful, gorgeous coil that's gonna find me all sorts of treasures. So there you go, folks. The XTerra Elite, joining my family of cool gadgets I cannot really afford. When you're doing your research, there are many different kinds. I had my eyes on the Equinox 900, but the price tag was just too high. So I got this for probably less than half the price. I'm gonna pair it with some cheapy headphones. I mean, I'm sure they weren't cheap at the time, but Sennheiser HD215s, Odd Fellows headphones. So I'm gonna try it out with those. And if not, I have some kind of cool Bluetoothy ones. And we'll give them a shot. Sennheiser as well. Apparently I'm a Sennheiser fan. Who knew?
A few minutes later.
What the heck? And now for the ASMR portion of our program. If I can get it. Oh, yes. I guess it's mine now. So I am off to try my new metal detector. Of course, I have to go on a road trip to do so for some reason. And, well, lucky it's waterproof. I fell asleep while we were driving and just woke up from a nice nap. It's nice and sunny. Time to pull out that metal detector and see what I can find on my very first time metal detecting. Today I'm hoping for my first coin. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, looking fashionable on the beautiful beaches. Metal detecting's all right. Well, I have to say I'm pretty embarrassed at how many times I've done this and got really excited. Got close to my own shovel. All right, of course, while we weren't filming, I got my very first find. Check out this. It's a World War II Mauser pistol. No, I have no idea what this is. The metal detecting journey begins. Well, I mean, even if you don't find anything, it's still really beautiful. I found a new way of wearing my headphones so I don't look so silly. A couple things to note, it's gonna take me a lot more practice for sure. I need to definitely get wireless headphones because when you kneel down to go with the pinpointer and try to dig something up, I've already scratched the screen a little bit on my first time out. So screen protector, wireless headphones, maybe some knee pads if I'm in more rocky places. It was fine on the beach. It was really fun, and I had old folks come and say, hey, what are you up to? What are you doing there? And a little kid say, oh, what are you finding? So it becomes a little bit of a community event, which is really nice. And I will now unveil my sweet, sweet haul of loot. My very first time out with the Minelab X-Terra Elite. And here's my big haul. A strange piece of iron, I think. A bottle cap. And a razor sharp, hard to see, piece of foil. And you know what? I kind of loved it. Life is just better on the beach. Signing off from this beautiful beach, my very first time metal detecting. You take great care of yourselves. Bye for now. Cue the music! Please let me know down below in the comments your favorite detectors and all the cool treasures that you found. It's a brand new journey for me and I'm looking very forward to it. I'll put my fake video glasses on so you don't have to see the reflection so bad. I can't see you, but you can see me.